Good morning to you all. Now, today we are going to cover container and empty element in HTML. So, there are two types of elements, that is container element and empty element. Now, what is container element? As the name is, container means which contains something, right? That means container means which contains some contents. That is container element. Elements having start and end both tag. Now, an element which contains some contents, that is container element, and an element which contains nothing or which starts with only open tag, start tag, that is known as empty element. As for example, BR, HR, IMG, all these are empty element, right? Because it contains only start tag. In your book, as it is given that it contains only start tag. So BR contains only start tag, angular bracket start. You will write BR and then angular bracket end. That's it. It gives you output also. One single tag, which is open tag, gives you output. BR, that means it breaks the line. Means it gives one space. Right. Now it starts, whatever you will write with BR, whenever you will write BR, it takes you to the new line. That is BR, breaks the line. HR, right? HR means horizontal rule. It creates one rules from left to right. Horizontally, it creates one rule. That is HR. IMG, it will insert an image. So all these are empty element. Now, how we can represent this empty element? So we can represent this empty element by an open tag. One way of representing an empty element with open tag only. HR. HR is here when we are writing HR. So one tag only we are writing, that is open tag, start tag. So this gives us horizontal rule, right? So this is one way of representing the empty element, right? That means it is containing only, means it, we are writing only one tag, open tag, start tag. No need to write end tag. One more way of representing this empty element with is just write the tag name BR and then after that forward slash. In end tag we put forward slash before the tag, end tag. In end tag we put the forward slash before the name of the tag, like font start, font end, and before that font end we include that forward slash. That is the marks of an end tag. But here when we are representing an empty element, then after the tag, open tag, start tag, just put forward slash. That is also one way of, the other way of representing empty element. That means BR, start tag, BR, open tag, and BR with forward slash. We are BR and then forward slash, angular bracket close. All these two are the same representation of the empty element. Empty element is also known as void element. VOID, void. Empty element is also known as void element. So must write in your notes, when you are preparing your notes, must write this, that empty element is also known as void element. Void means discard, ignore, right? That is void element, which does not contain an end tag, only it contains a start tag, and also it does not contain any contents, but still it gives some output. Writing HTML basic structure, that means we must follow one structure for the document. That means we must include the tags which are compulsory, essential to write the document, to show the contents on the browser, right? So the basic structure, the code which contains, first it start with HTML document, and with the tag which we are starting the document, we must close that tag also, right? So HTML works as a container for all the codes, right? It contains all the codes, other codes of HTML. So first we will write HTML and end this HTML tag. We write HTML open tag and end this HTML tag. After HTML we include head tag. It also having an start and end tag, but within this head tag we include title tag, title start and title end, and within that title tag we write the title of our document which appear on the title page or tab of our page on the browser. That means it is the definition of your page, what your page is all about. So title we include within head tag, and head will be within HTML tag. After title we write body. After title we will write body, body start and body end, and within body tag we will write the contents of HTML document, and with the contents of HTML document we will include all other tags of HTML body inside the body tag. All other tags means font tag, means image tag, href hyperlink tag, all the other tags, paragraph tag, break tag, horizontal rule tag, all the tags that we must write within body tag, right? And whatever we will write inside the body tag, that is going to display, that will displayed on the browser, right? In a format, in a specific format, whatever format you are applying, in that specific format it will display on the browser. Browser will read the document, read the code, parse the code, means render the code, means gives the, after reading it, translate the code for us and in a specific format, and then shows us the contents, textual, all multimedia contents, right? After body, so we will put all the other contents inside the body tag with the code also, contents and the code. After body, that end tag will be there, HTML end tag, and that's it. This is the basic structure of HTML. Now I am going to show you this basic structure of HTML, how to write. Now in HTML structure, it starts with HTML start tag. First we will write HTML start tag, then we will write within this, after HTML, head. Now it is not compulsory to write in capital only. I am writing here capital only for readability, legibility, but you can write head with small letter also. You can also include small plus, combination of small plus capital letter. It is not barred with that it should include capital only or small only. Also, whatever you are with whatever caps you are starting your open tag, end tag you can end with anyway, whether it contains small letter or capital letter, no problem, right? So here HTML, and then after HTML head will come. After head, title will come, TITLE, title. Now head include only title tag but not any contents. For the time being, just remember that this head will contain not any other contents, means text or image, nothing, only it contains a title tag, and this title contains title of our page. Like I am here writing my first web page. Now then we will end this title tag. Now it's time to end this head tag. So end this head tag. For ending the head tag, what we will include this / before writing head, then angle bracket close, start and end. this is end tag. So this is an end tag which include this symbol, right? This symbol, forward slash symbol everywhere. Here is also this title contains this forward slash before. Then this is end tag. So here title starts and here title end. This is code, one element, and within that element here it is the title of your page, my first web page, right? Now after head, this is first section of your HTML document, head section. First section, that is head section. This is head section. First section, that is head section. After this, here we will write body, right? Now body will contain all other tags and contents of HTML document, right? So it contains all the contents. Then we will end this with body again, and then again, as we started with HTML, now we will end this HTML with forward slash HTML end tag. This is what basic structure of an HTML document, right? So here it is starting with HTML, then head, then title, then again head end. This is one section of head section of HTML document, and here again body start, body end, in within contents, and then HTML end, right? This is the second section, or body section known as, right? Thank you for watching and hope it will help you out to understand your topic. Thanks.